Whose hair is this? Is this me? Love to see it. Hellos, welcome back to the My Crown of Curls YouTube channel, or IGTV, or Snapchat, or Instagram. You know what? Whichever platform you see this video on, welcome back. Okay, because I'm going to be using this footage all the time. But hey YouTube gang, I know you're gonna see this first. So I just dropped a new line, and it is the avocado honey line. It is absolutely amazing. Do you see my hair? Last night I did an overnight deep conditioning treatment using the nourishing hair mask. I woke up, my hair felt amazing. Then I did a twist out. I just did some twists using our avocado honey leave-in conditioner and moisturizing styling cream, and you know I will seal in that moisture with our lavender frosted buttercream. Love it, right? Now the definition really speaks for itself, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy my hair and a little slow-mo that I just did just now. And let me tell you guys about these products. So they were infused with rosemary and peppermint, made with real avocados. There's mango butter in here, shea butter in here, olive oil, avocado oil. They are so moisturizing. It is crazy. My hair did not even fully dry, and look at it. Definition still on point, still popping. Let me stop talking and let you guys see the video, see the tutorial on how to get your hair looking fly like this using our new avocado and honey collection. So right now my hair is stretched, and that's why it's looking so long and luscious. When I stretched it, and I also trimmed it as well, because you know we're not holding on to dead ends. We are getting rid of them so that our hair can retain maximum length. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to decide what side I want my hair to fall on. I think I'm just going to continue have it fall in this general direction. So I'm just going to make a clean part, and then I'm going to be working on this side, and the first thing that I'm going to apply is the leave-in conditioner. This feels so good. It's applying so well into my hair. Next, I'll be applying the moisturizing curl cream. Texture shot for you. And then we are going to apply a little bit of the lavender frosted buttercream. So what this is going to do is going to seal in all that moisture that we just put into our hair. Okay, and then I'm going to twist. So that's generally the same steps that we're repeating throughout this whole process. And as you guys know, I like to do a little twist at the end. Little bantu knot at the end. It gives my ends an extra curl. That is absolutely optional. That's just something that I like to do. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you stopped by to get yourself your very own avocado and honey collection. Also check out the other amazing products that I have as well. By now my website would have been updated, so you can just click in the link in the description box down below, or whichever platform you're seeing this on, there's a link somewhere. So look for our website, www.mycrownofcurls.com. If you're in St. Vincent, we are located in the Baines building on the middle floor. We cater for everything natural hair. Whatever problems you have, we have something for you. Okay, so thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, share, all of that jazz, because you guys will be seeing a lot more great content from me. And thank you for, your 5 minutes of your time. I appreciate you being here. Bye.